Hi everyone, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I finally finished my bedroom makeover. Yes, the one I've been working on for 500 years now. You guys are probably so tired of me hearing about it because literally I'm always like, I'm working on my bedroom, I'm working on my bedroom, working on my bedroom. But it's finally done. I think I underestimated how much work I actually had to do in here to finish the space, and it really got unmotivating for me at times. So it took me forever, but it's finally done and I'm so happy, and I'm literally obsessed with how it came out. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I will stop rambling and we can get started with the video. Just some quick background. We had started working on the bedroom very long time ago, and we just never got it finished, and so we lived in a really unfinished space for a long time. And by the time I started filming for the video, it was already that unfinished space, so it looks really janky in the beginning. That's not how it used to be. It actually was a functioning nice bedroom at one point, but by the time I started filming, it looked like a crack house. So that's where it's gonna begin, but it does turn into a really nice space by the end of it, so that's all that matters. Just wanted you guys to know. So like I said, our room is in really terrible condition right now. It's got this really ugly wall color. We don't have any furniture because we got rid of it months ago. We need to get new bedding, new pillows, we need new curtains. The only thing we have done in here is change out the flooring, but I do have to put the trim back up, and then I obviously have to get all new decorations and everything like that. So I decided to start with this accent wall. This color is Villa Blue by Sharon Williams. I had actually chosen a different color, but I didn't like it, so that's why I was painting over it right there. I knew our bedroom was going to be fairly simple because I've been liking more of a minimalist style, and I needed something to bring some sort of dimension or interest to the room, and I figured an accent wall would be the easiest way to go about it, and obviously not really demand a lot of effort on my part. As for the rest of the room, I painted it basalt powder, which you guys know by now is my absolute favorite wall color. It is also by Sharon Williams. So now I'm painting the trim before I install it, and here's Rampage stepping all over my work. But it's just easier for me to paint it beforehand and then just touch up any nail holes after I've installed it. So I'm also changing out the ceiling fan for a new one that fits the look of the room better. While I had the power off, I also decided to change out all the outlets and the light switch for the room. And I do that for every room makeover just so that I have all new white matching fixtures. As far as the fundamental structure of the room, this was really the last thing I had to do before I could start decorating. So I asked Marcus to build a new headboard for us because, again, I was going for more of a minimalistic look, and I wanted something that was really simple, that had clean lines, and then I also wanted a lighter wood color.
I picked up this bedding from Target. It's just this nice little quilt, and I loved that it matched our accent wall, so I went ahead and got that with the pillowcases. And while I was there, I picked up a new sheet set, and then I also got new pillows for the bed. And this is just a plain white curtain that I got from Walmart. If you guys saw my last vlog, then you'll recognize this sign. I went through the whole process of how I made this sign, and I videoed it and vlogged it for you guys. So if you want to see that video, I will go ahead and link that above. So we obviously had a really sweet little girl who was eager to help us unroll this rug, but I actually just got this rug from Walmart. It's a really popular rug to get, and I knew I wanted something similar, but online these rugs can go up to like $300 for an 8x10. So at Walmart this one's just $150, so I thought it was perfect because we destroy our rugs anyways with our dog and our daughter. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with it, and so far we really love this rug. I also asked Marcus to build us some nightstands that would match the headboard, and all I can say is I am super obsessed. I really love how they came out. So these were the very last details I added to finally finish off the room. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit like and also subscribe. I do have some new updates on the flip house that I will be sharing really soon. So keep an eye out for that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram at blessedwithdogs, and I usually post a lot of like updates over there first. So thank y'all so much for watching. Until the next one, I hope you guys stay blessed, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.